Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change font size in Outlook email. It's quite easy. There are two ways which you can use. The first way is very easy, and in that if you generally go to new mail and type your email here like this, and now you want to change the font size and font. For that you just need to select your text, then you're gonna see the pop-up like this. So just expand this drop down in order to change the font. So here you can just choose the font whichever you like. The one which I would love to prefer is this one. Just select the font and just right from here on this drop down you can change the size. So it is up to you, whichever you like you can choose that from here. This is the very basic way which you can use. Now if you look at on the second way, in that you just need to click on this gear icon, then head over to mail and just choose the option compose and reply. And yeah, just right here they'll allow you to choose the default font and default size for your email. So just for the sake of this video, if we select this one and choose the default size to something like 28, click on save, close this, go to new mail and type anything here. They're gonna select the default font and default size which we have chose there. And yeah, that's exactly how you can change font size in Outlook email. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.